Breathe. You are the mountain forests, endless and lonely, caressed by the first snows. Listen. You are the spring water that arises silently and brings life to the oceans. Look. You are migrating, crossing seas and deserts, back and forth to give new life. Feel. You're a wave, connecting shores and cultures and donating joy, victories and adventures. We're made of nature, and respecting it means respecting ourselves and those who come after us. The time has come to act with a new way of thinking, of planning and building, repaying the act of love that nature gives us every day, and erasing together the deep marks that we have left. To do this, in Grand Soleil, we have used the most powerful tools that nature has given us: genius, passion, creativity, and the talent to innovate, taking up a new challenge and looking far ahead towards new horizons. And so, Blue was born, the perfect synthesis between passion for the sea, desire for freedom, and commitment to a better world, a new way to combine beauty, efficiency, and sustainability. We started by designing each element, from the largest to the smallest, so that tomorrow it could be reused or transformed into something else still useful. Looking at the hulls abandoned on lands and seabeds, we realized that these wounds had to be healed. Thanks to a new technology, the hull of Blue was created with a special thermoplastic resin, resistant, long-lasting, and completely recyclable. The elements it's made of can be separated, transformed, and get a new life. Listening to the sound of the sea, we imagined our journey, driven by a silent engine, powerful and self-sufficient, that draws energy from the sun and does not pollute. Blue is much more than a boat. It's our promise to you, to the sea, to the planet, to all of us. It's the beginning of a journey towards a better future, because taking care of the sea and nature means taking care of those who love them, taking care of ourselves. Let's sail into the future. The future is blue.